In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Facebook to Make.com. Now, this should be a quick and easy process video. All you have to do is to go ahead, follow these instructions step by step. Now, just go to the left side, click on More. After that, just click on Connections. Just go ahead and access it. Then just give it some time to load. And now all you have to do is to open Scenario Builder by clicking on this button right here. And then after you do that, just give it a moment to load as well. And after the loading takes time, you can go ahead, click on the search tab right here and type in Facebook. From here you can see what kind of Facebook connections you can add. For example, Facebook leads or groups or anything you want, or pages. So let's go ahead, click on Facebook by itself. And here you can choose to list pages, photos, or anything you want. Let's say, for example, we are going to list pages. Now, after we click on it, just click on create a connection to connect your Facebook account. Then click on save. And now just give it a moment to load so you can link your Facebook account. Now just click on continue with your Facebook. And you should be now good to go. Your Facebook will be connected to Make.com, as you can see here. Now it's all connected and all good to go. You can click on save. If you want to come back and edit, just click on it. Then choose whatever you want. So this was an easy and quick process video. As always, thank you for watching.